Today we're going to talk about the pronunciation of the three single vowels I, you, and you with the hook in Vietnamese. Let's break it down step by step, starting with the letter I. In Vietnamese, the letter I always produces the sound E. It sounds exactly the same as the sound E in the words see, me, or tree in English. It can also resemble the short E, as in sit. So now let's practice the letter I with the sound E using some example words. Repeat after me, please. D, khi, bí. Now, moving on to the letter U. In Vietnamese, the letter U always makes the sound U, which is similar to the sound U in English words like moo, tooth, food. Unlike English, where the vowel sounds can vary, the Vietnamese U is consistent. It is always pronounced as a clear U. Let's practice with some words containing the letter U. Repeat after me. Make sure you maintain consistent lip rounding and a clear U. Tủ, tủ, ngu, ngu, thu, thu. Now, let's talk about the vowel U, the letter U with the hook attached on the top right. This sound is unique to Vietnamese and doesn't exist in English, so it's a bit challenging at first. I will show you how to properly pronounce it and take your time. With a little practice, you will master it. To pronounce U, start with a gentle smile. Stretch your lips gently to the two sides, showing your upper teeth. Remember just the upper teeth, while keeping them relaxed. Begin by leaving a small gap between the upper teeth and the bottom lip. Then gently bring your upper teeth down close enough to slightly touch the bottom lip. At the same time, keep your tongue low and gently resting against the gum beneath your bottom teeth. Finally, produce the sound U in a relaxed and smooth manner. U, U, U. It's a short, flat, unrounded sound that should feel noticeably different from the U sound because you have to stretch your mouth so your lips remain unrounded. Let's practice with some words containing the sound U. Pay attention to your lips to smile gently before you say the words, not during or after. Must be before. Okay, start with a smile. Okay, now say it. Tư, tư, thư, thư. Smile first. Okay, smile. Who, who. Remember, I'm not smiling. I have to smile because I want to say the U with the hook, all right? Remember, the little hook attached on top of the U make it sound totally different from the letter U, the letter U with the sound U. So avoid rounding your lips with U. Also, don't over exaggerate the sound. Is subtle, so keep it natural. Finally, make sure that you smile before you say the word, not during or after. This is the most common mistake my students often make. They make it ooh, ooh, because they don't smile before they start making the sound, but during or after. So that's why they start with normally like this, and then say the word a little bit, and then smile. Ooh, ooh. So the sound just happened at the end or in the middle of the sound. Therefore, practice while you standing in front of a mirror will help. Okay, to wrap up, let's test your understanding. Now, I will say several words and see whether you can match it with each sound. Starting with tư, 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 thu, 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 tu hú, tu hú, tu hú, cu, 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 đi, 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 hư, 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 khỉ, 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 tí, tí, tí. Okay, keep practicing at home and thank you for joining me today. See you next time.